Alex here again. Today I'm going to show you a video of my dog. I didn't record it on my phone, sorry, but I recorded it on my 3DS. So I'm gonna record this on my 3DS, and then I'll put it on YouTube on my channel. Okay, let's watch. Wait.
Come on, Peanut. You can do it. You're a macho man. Oh, that looks cool. It looks great. See, Peanut? It just stopped. It stopped.
He's so small. He's just 5 months old.
Come back. Let's go again.
It's if you hear that music and you hear like a car, it's cause like I recorded the I put my 3DS on a car and taped it, so like the thing can go forward, so I click forward and I was recording. He's messy. He was holding that ball. It's like he's scared of everything.
Okay, Peanut. Right. Peanut, nothing
You can see right there he's like kind of small.
That's not too scary. Is it? Come on, Peanut.
Oh, I hit him right there,
Got his tail.
but it didn't really hurt. My sister was there too. She was holding him.
It's okay.
So that was all. Hope you guys like and subscribe. I know it looked like a light right there because it was my camera. So yeah, bye.